Zoe's going to start by pouring her batter onto the pan. The heated molecule is what's going to help the pancakes to cook all the way. So once the first side is cooked, we flip it to the other side so the other side does the same and cooks. And here's a visual example of what Zoe's doing. Next, she starts cooking the egg using the gas stove again. We had a fire extinguisher and we know how to use the fire safely, thank you. So Zoe cracked the egg and then flips it, and this connects on how proteins in the food react. Food didn't mix, it instead cooked like a sunny side up. So that's how it connects. Then we move on to the hot chocolate. The hot chocolate's connected to our boiling water act because to make our yumlicious hot cocoa, we boiled our water and we just kept on mixing it till it was finished. See how it's starting to look so yummy yummers? And then Zoe's done with her 5-star meal. Here's a visual example of what she did to the boiling water. And then enjoy this little taste testing by Zoe's lovely Granny Wanny, and she gives us a 10 out of 10, A++, and definitely recommends.